In the corner of my shop, I have these ugly utility shelves, but every now and then a little bit of grease or oil gets spilled on them. And I'm tired of looking at them, so I built new cabinets. And these shelves aren't going to be replaceable, so I wanted to use some contact paper. But contact paper is a mother to work with. And I found myself with something that looks like this. But it's okay, you found this video and I'm going to show you how to install contact paper like a pro. Like that even exists. There's no professional contact paper installers. I looked it up. They're not in the phone book. The phone book doesn't even exist anymore. Now the first thing you want to do is measure your shelves and determine how much paper you need. There's only two major rules to working with contact paper. Number one, cut your lengths 2 or 3 inches longer in every dimension. Leave yourself some room with stuff to work with. Rule number two, don't let the adhesive touch itself. If it does, it's game over. Can't fix it. One of the problems is the paper wants to roll up on itself. Now this is counterintuitive, but the best thing you can do is peel the backing off the entire sheet you need. Because when you do that, the paper lays flat. No longer wants to curl up. Now after you cut your sheet to length, grab it by opposing corners and carry it to your shelf like you just found 2 nasty, dirty diapers. Now make sure there's about 1 inch of material that sticks to the back wall in the corners. Now we're going to start in the middle of the shelf and slowly work our way to the left. Work your way to the corner first and then kind of work at an angle. That way, if there's air bubbles, you can pull the sheet up. Now that we got the left side done, let's go to the right. And now the hard part is over. We did it. We did it. We did it! So all you need now to finish this project is a drywall knife and a utility knife. Make sure to press down in the corners with the drywall knife and run your utility knife across it. Now when you get to the front of the shelf, it's a little different. Put your knife flat on the shelf, put your utility knife up under the contact paper, and follow the edge of your shelf. And sound like a hibachi. And boom, you're done. Just follow a few simple rules. Cut way more length than you need. Don't let the paper adhere to itself. And you got good looking shelves. Now you just watch how I do it. Get up and do it yourself. I don't know how to explain it. Don't let it touch itself. Jesus, that sounds messed up. We beat Medicare. God damn. I'm bloated. I ate a bunch of pizza. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. Then boom, boom. You got a turducken. Turducken. I don't know. I don't think that sounds like John Madden. You did contact paper like a pro.